Hello friends, my name is Prajakta Sambhaji Pai. Today's topic is phase 2 protocol. In which phase 2 protocol there is a phase 2 clinical trials. A phase 2 clinical trial tells doctor more about how safe the treatment is and how well it works. Doctor also test whether a new treatment work for specific cancer. They might measure to tumor, take blood samples, or check how well you can do the certain activities. In which two-phase commit protocol, two-phase commit 2PC is a standardized protocol that ensure atomicity, consistency, isolation, and durability. That is ASID of a transaction. It is an atomic commitment protocol for disturbed systems. The phases of clinical research are the stage in which scientists conduct experiments with the health interventions to obtain sufficient evidence for a process considered effective as a medical treatment. For a drug development to clinical phases start with the testing for drug safety in a few human subjects, then expand to many study participants, potentially tens of thousands, to determine if the treatment is effective. Clinical research conducted on drug candidates, vaccines candidates, new medical devices, and new diagnostic assays. There is the main article or summary is the clinical trials testing potential medical product are commonly classified into 4 phases. The drug development process will normally proceed all 4 phases over many years. If the drug is successfully passes through phase 1, phase 2, phase 3, it will be usually approved by national regulatory authority for use in the general population. Phase 4 is a trial or post-marketing surveillance studies conduct to monitor safety over several years. There is a 4 phases in clinical trials. This is a phase is designed to assess the effectiveness of new interventions and thereby it is value in clinical practice. Phase 2 studies are randomized controlled multicenter trials. Phase 2 protocol. Once a dose or range of dose is determined, the next goal is to evaluate whether the drug has only biological activity of effect. Phase 2 trials are performed on a larger groups, that is 15 to 300, and are designed to assess how well the drug works as well as to continue phase I safety, phase 1 safety assessment in a larger group of volunteers and patients. Genetic testing in common, particularly when there is a evidence of a variation in metabolic rate. When the development process for a new drug fails, this usually occurs. Phases 2 trials when the drug is discovered not work as planned or to have a toxic effects. Phase 2 studies are sometimes divided into phase 2A and 2B. There is a formal definition for these two subcategories, but generally phase 2A studied are usually planned study design to demonstrate clinically efficacy or biological activities, proof of concept studies. Phase 2B studies determine the optimal dose at which the drug shows biological activity with minimal side effects. Definite dose finding studies. There is a trial design in phase 2 study. There is some phase 2 trials are designed as a case series demonstrating a drug safety and activity in a selected group of participants. Other phase 2 trials are designed as randomized control trials where some patients receive the drug device and other receive placebo standard treatment. Randomized phase are in phase 2 trials have far fewer patients than randomized phase 3 trials. For example, we see cancer design. In the first stage, the investigator attempts to rule out the drug to have no lethal biological activity. For example, the researcher may specify that a drug must have some minimal level of activity, say in a 20% of a participants. If the estimated activity level is less than 20%, the researcher chooses not to consider this drug further, at least not at a maximally tolerated dose. If the estimated activity level exceeds 20%, the researcher will be add more participants to get better estimate for the response rate. A typical study of a ruling of a 20% of a lower response rate enter 14 participants. If no response is observed in the better estimate of the response rate, then first 14 participants, the drug is considered to not likely to have a 20% higher activity level. The number of additional participants added depends on a degree of precision desired, but ranges from 10 to 20. Thus, a typical cancer phase 2 study might include fewer than 13 people to estimate the response rate. Efficacy versus effectiveness in phase 2. There is a when we study assess the efficacy, it is looking at whether the drug given in the specific manner described in the study is able to influence to outcome of a interest, for example tumor size in the chosen population, for example cancer patient with no other ongoing diseases. When study is assessing effectiveness, it is a determine whether a treatment will be influence the diseases. In an effectiveness study, it is essential that participants are treated as they would be when the treatment is prescribed in actual practice. The outcome in effectiveness studies are also more generally applicable than in most efficacy study. For example, does the patient feel better, come to the hospital less, or live longer in effectiveness studies, such as opposed to better test score or lower cells counts in efficacy studies. There is a usually less rigid control of the body type of participant to the include in effectiveness studies than in efficacy studies, as the researchers are interested in whether the drug will be have a broad effect in the population patient with the diseases. There is a success rate of a phase 2 is phase 2 clinical program historically have experienced the lower success rate of the 4 development phases. In 2010, the percentage of phase 2 trials that proceed to phase 3 was 80%, and only 31% of developmental candidates advanced from phase 2 to phase 3 in a large study of a trial conducted over 2006 to 2015. And there is a phase 2 is primary goal is testing of a drug on participant to assess the efficacy and side effects. There is a dose is a condition on a therapeutic dose. Patient monitor is a clinical researcher. Typical number of a participant is 100 to 300 participant with a specific diseases. There is a success rate. Success rate is approximately 28.9%. There is only one note are there. There is a determine the whether drug can have an efficacy. At this point, the drug is not presumed to have any therapeutic effect. Is all about phase 2. And there is a clinical trial on more person than in a phase 1 intended to evaluate the efficacy of a treatment for the condition it is intended to treat. Possible side effects are monitored. SIOMS phase 2 is a clinical trial. This all about phase 2. Thank you.